Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted people from the image. Let's start. First of all, open up the web browser. Here, search and open hammer.app. Now try to upload an image, or you can try with an example. Click on Example Image. You can zoom the image, undo the changes, or use brush audit. Tap to use the zoom. You can roll the bar to zoom the image. Then click on Brush, and you can erase anything from the image by rolling the roller forward and backwards. After that, use the brush on anyone and tap to remove that person from the image. You can remove anyone or anything just by applying the brush on the specific person or thing, and just remove it from the image. And if you want to undo the changes, click to undo and then tap on Done. Now you can download or share the image. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.